Hello everyone. So I hope you tried out the last assignment we gave it to you, and we have got a lot of submission from our students, and probably I think we'll be posting the videos over here. And if you try this program and if you come up with your own like mazes and circuits, you can also send the videos to us in WhatsApp, and probably we'll be posting the videos again like this in the upcoming videos. Okay, so what we're going to do today is that we're going to create our own characters. We've been using the cat for a very long time, right? So in this today's videos, what we're going to do is we're going to create our own characters, and we're going to have the COVID virus, the hand sanitizers, the mask, everything. So this is the design we came up with. And okay.
So the character will be replacing with the cat is human. I'll be doing our human like this. You can draw the human the way you like. So this will be COVID-19, and for safeties we have mask and hand wash. You can draw what you want to add. So this is our plan.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to only draw the humans for you, and the challenge for you is to try to create the all three, or else even if you want you can add some more components and more layers if you want. It's up to you to decide. Okay, so but we're going to show you only how to create the humans. The remaining all three we won't show you, and you have to create by yourself. Okay, so we'll go ahead and with the videos. Okay, Karnik. Okay. Yeah.
So as our cat is here, our cat moves in all directions. We programmed it. So now I'm going to go to costumes of the cat. I don't need a cat anymore.
Okay, so first thing you have to do is as soon as you go into the costume, control select all. Okay, control A, select all, and if it does delete, it will delete. Okay, now we're going to create the human.
So according to our plan, I need a cat who is completely black, or instead of black I'll let him be in some orange color. So this will be the color of a character, brown color. So I'm drawing a circle. So our character is ready.
Okay, so this is the character we created, and one more few tips is that the thing you should be very careful is that do remember the character is replacing the cat, right? So we have to remove the cat and we have to replace the characters. Okay, so when we go for the, let's say, okay, probably we'll do one thing. We'll show half of on how to create the virus. Okay, so that you won't be getting confused. Okay, as soon as the character is created, what we can do is we're going to rename the character to human in the name of human.
So I'm going to create a guy called human.
Okay, and probably if you want, depending upon the maze you created, you can decrease the size as well. I think probably we can reduce the size to about 30.
I'm going to keep the size to 30.
Okay, we'll reduce the size to 30 so that it is a little bit smaller to
So
move.
you see our character is small. The path we'll be choosing is we are changing the path of the character now. Instead of going this way, the easier way, we'll be having to go by this way. We'll block the path with
the COVID.
So our character must be going in this way. So now, let's get on to create COVID-19.
Okay, so this is where you should be very careful. Okay, the first thing what you have to do is you have to when you want to create a new virus, you have to go to choose a spirit, then click on paint. You can see there is a new spirit number 2 or spirit number 3 or spirit number 1, doesn't matter. Okay, you can change the name. So we're going to rename it as.
So I'm going to rename this sprite as COVID-19.
Okay, so this is very essential because you should be very careful. You should not be in a position where you created the characters, right? You should not create the virus on top of the characters. Okay, you have to create a separate layer kind of stuff. So you can see here human, and we have the maze. Okay, we're going to rename it as maze as well, and we're going to have the COVID virus. Okay, so it's 3 individual layers, and if okay, so that it will be easier for you to understand, I guess. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to create the virus.
I'm going to choose a dark red color.
Okay, probably we'll do half of the virus so that they can also try it out. We can combine all of them into a group. Okay, what you have to do is you have to select Control A, which is selecting all, and here you can see here, right, group. If you click that one, it will form as one whole image. You can take it apart, you can move like a whole thing. Okay, so this is the only thing we're going to show you, and we already created the full virus and the mask also. So another tip, while creating the mask and sterilizer, you have to create it in another layer, just like that. Choose a spirit and paint. You have to create the mask and this hand sanitizer over there. Okay. If you have any issues and if you have confusion and if you want the file, exact file we have, all you have to do is you have to go to the description. There is a link below where you can go ahead and download the file. Okay. So as soon as you download, I'm going to show you how you can load the file that we have created. Okay. So the thing you have to go to is file and load from your computer. Okay. So this codes to, probably yours will be in the same name, codes to or human to, probably in any one of those name will be there. If you just click this one and open means, it will ask to replace the content of the current project. Just click OK. So what you have is that same whole thing that we created. We're going to give you the whole project as well, and you should take this only if you don't know, if you have some issues and if you cannot create it. Okay. So you should not copy or you should not skip something. Okay. So you have to follow this.
So what you have to do is, you have to make a COVID-19 mask and hand sanitizer, and in the next video we'll be doing some programming, because for now our character he comes back to the starting point if he hits the line, and if he hits COVID,
nothing happens. Okay, so in the next video what we're going to do is we're going to program in which if you touch only the virus, you go to the starting position, and this maze is black color line we created, right? You're going to use it as a guidance line. You cannot like if you touch it, you don't go to the starting point, it will be like a guidance point. Okay, so probably we'll see in the next video and we'll teach you how to do that as well. Okay, bye.